Ever typed in your YouTube channel name only to find 5 other channels with the exact same name? Yeah, it's frustrating. It happened to me. I created my channel with a lot of enthusiasm, and guess what? There are at least 5 channels with same name. But what if I told you changing your channel name could be the smartest move you make or the one that sinks your growth? Stick around because today we're breaking down the truth behind YouTube name changes, how it affects growth, searchability, and what smart creators do to rebrand without losing momentum. Your YouTube name is your brand's handshake. It's how viewers remember you, search for you, and recommend you. Let's face it, if your name sounds like everyone else's, people won't remember you. Imagine being the 5th channel named The Mind Mirror. Yeah, that's my channel. How are viewers supposed to find you again? Hence, the channel name should always be unique. A unique name stands out in search, builds brand identity, and earns trust. But what happens when you change that name? No, changing your name won't destroy your channel if done right. Let's break down what actually happens when you hit that rename button. 1. Branding gets sharper. You go from generic to memorable. Viewers can instantly connect your name to your niche, which means more repeat views. But here's the catch. If your subscribers don't recognize the new name, some might think you disappeared. 2. Searchability improves. With a unique name, you're no longer competing with 5 lookalikes. You show up first in search. That's a major SEO win. But if your old name had keyword power like Fitness with Jake, and you suddenly become Zen Raptor, YouTube needs time to catch up. Third, no algorithm penalty. YouTube doesn't punish name changes. Your success still depends on your content quality, watch time, and engagement. Pro tip: choose a name that fits your niche. If you switch from Game Zone to Travel Vibes without changing your content, expect confusion. I am changing my channel name. My new channel name is Soul Vibrations Official. Don't worry, it's just a new coat of paint on the same awesome vibe. It's very simple, just step 1. Just go to the top right corner and click your channel. Step 2, click on Customize Channel. Step 3, you can now change your channel details like profile picture, channel banner, channel name, email, or channel description. Simple, right? Let's make Soul Vibrations Official bigger and better together. Drop a comment. What do you think of the new name? See you in the next video.